Well, hello everyone. I found a way to get the tin I need for the tin bath. So currently I am going on a road trip. So yeah, I need to clean that. Who cares? To pick up a wave soldering machine that was given to me. If I go get it, that is. So we're gonna throw a few hundreds in the tank of this thing and let's get going. It takes 2 hours with the ferry times, which I'm gonna mess up. So yeah, that will be rather fun. I'll give you a few updates during the trip and hopefully I'll edit this and it won't just fuck up on me. So yeah, I'll see you later. Well, hello again. I'm currently waiting at the ferry. I managed to time it quite alright, so I didn't need to wait more than 5 minutes. 10 maybe, something like that. So yeah, this is what that looks like. I'm gonna probably do some filming once we're out on the ferry too. And yeah, it's moving along nicely. See you soon. Oh well, we're on the move and hopefully everything goes well. It's just the first time I've been on a ferry myself, so yeah, it's quite interesting. Don't know how long it's gonna take, but we'll see. Yeah, this is mostly gonna be a vlog video, so yeah. We'll see how it goes. See you. Oh well, I went and picked it up now, and we're back at the ferries. But that is alarming. It's something about dangerous freight. They're gonna do some natural gas transport or something, I don't know. But that means I'm gonna have to wait. So yeah, that's kind of alarming. I don't know how long, but well, we'll see. This is gonna be a pain. Well, the ports and docks always sort of fascinated me. There's the other ferry. It's not visible now, but over there was a big cargo ship standing around. Well, yeah, it's an interesting thing. I wonder how many times they can go back and forth before it would actually justify building a bridge between these islands. Well, no idea. It's a bit funny with the houses built so close to the water. $1 million houses now, and in a few years, 10 years or so, they're going to be underwater. It's crazy what they're doing to this planet, you know, but it's still rather interesting. I don't know if you can hear me, but well. Well, hello again. I'm currently back at home. And, well, here it is. The flow soldering machine. So, yeah. This is good. I'm not gonna do anything about it right now since it is raining outdoors. But here it is, the thing I wanted. Filled to the brim with tin. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do about it tomorrow, I think. So yeah, you can look forward to that video if this ever gets out. Yeah, well, hello again. I couldn't help myself, so here we have the tinnbath, or the flow soldering device. And I tried plugging the entire thing into the 3-phase outlet, but it just kept blowing the ground fault breaker. And when I opened this thing, the insulation just fell straight off the fucking wires. So right now we have it connected up. It's 4 elements, they're all in parallel, currently running 2 kilowatts at 220 volts. And yeah, I'm gonna need to get a bigger insulation transformer, because this is a little sketchy. But I'm in a controlled environment and I'm not gonna touch anything, so that should be alright. So we're just gonna leave it for a few hours and see when the tin melts, and then I'm gonna have to figure something out to get it out of there. Probably just gonna try to scoop up as much as possible with a spoon or something. But yeah, we'll be back. Well, it is currently leaking tin, which drops right down on the connections and short circuits them, which is not desirable, I can guess. So yeah, that was a problem, but I think I fixed it.